Welcome guys, in front of me I have Xiaomi Metro Wireless Earbuds Basic, and I'm going to show you how we can check the product number on this device. So we can check it on two ways. The first one is just to grab the box and check the number right here. There's this one, and we can also take the charging case, and the same number will be right here. Let me just change. Okay, and I hope that you can see it right now clearly. In this place you can find the product number, and of course I'm going to show you one more time on this box. There it is, the same number. So this is how we can check the product number of this earbuds. I hope that'll help you guys, and if I do, leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!